car. This is how we drive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. I have a big box for you guys. You can see here a big box from Amazon. So without any further ado, we'll cut this box and we'll see what we have inside. It says Cecotec XL large handle. If you have a photo of wolf type of dog, 120 AW 400 watts, 120 meter autonomy, RS50 X-Treme Conga Rockstar from Cecotec. So more or less all the information, accessories showing here. How you see the accessories is coming. Number 1 is here, number 2, number 4, number 3, and here is one tag sealed. Other information is written. So without any further ado, I'm gonna unbox this one and I will show you. So let's see guys what we have inside the box. Big part at the middle and all the things here. I'll show you one by one. I think the first thing is coming here. This is one stand sort of thing. You can screw on the wall and you can hang your machine on this. Next thing we have here some, I don't know exactly what the function of them, so I have to put and check. Here something as a cushion at the middle. Here some plastic, this kinds of head or something, whatever. Put one side. Here we have a brush. You can see guys, lovely. Adjust, this is brush tool. Tap here, can make it long. Also tapping you can make it small. Lovely thinking, lovely tool. Then we have power source, power adapter. Here we go. You can see guys, lovely. How good, cool this one. Lovely. I put one side. Here we have another head. If you want to clean your computer, even your car, other things, you can use this head. Slim, more specific, more precise. In that case, then the manual here. Many things, many literature. If you have time to read, you can do that. Lovely. Put one side. We have some screw. You want to mount this one on the wall. You can see here this one. This you can mount on the wall. After that, here the beautiful part of it, battery. So battery is external. Lovely. You can see how beautiful this one, 33.6 volt removable battery. You can take out. If your battery is dead, you can buy a new one. You can add. This is a Spanish brand, European brand. So you can buy any moment if your battery is dead and you can put back again. Lovely thinking in this case. I like this. Then this side we have a handle. Take this off from this part. Lovely. It's a long one. See how it is. At the middle I feel as a aluminium cold and plastic two sides. Here Rockstar is written. Lovely. Plastic to adjust. Lovely. One side. Here is the main machine. I will go to that later. And we have brush as well. The main part that will clean. So this is here, but before that I will move the box from the middle because it's very heavy box. Big one. Put one side. So here the main machine guys, you see how it is. Lovely. So right and Congo power head. This is the head of the machine. You can see the brush more close. The strong brush guys. Lovely. Small wheels, rubberized wheels. Things Congo Cecotec is written. Here two more wheels, very durable wheels I feel. Here this is in a budget price guys. 150, 100, 250 will be the price here, depends. Here I think you can open some plastic over it here. Lovely. Here you have leads. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 lights. Put this here. Let me show you the Tega, the machine. Take this off. Here you have a display. So it will tell you exactly the position. You have a button you can change. You have a plastic. This is Tega. 400 watts, 120 AW. Here you adjust the battery. Lovely. The grippy handle, it's a lovely grip. You can hold this one, release. With this one you can release. So great. And here you release as this. It's open. So you can connect. When you are not using, you can close. Lovely thinking. When you press the button, with this you can adjust. This is Eco, Medium and Turbo. Auto modes, and with the Tega you can stop. With Eco mode you can use 60 minutes, with the Medium 30 minutes, with the Turbo 15 to 20 minutes. I put the machine, come here, see how it is working. We have a light. Let's go some dark place to see if we have some dirt. See the dirt you can see with the light. Normally with the blind eyes you can't see those things. But with this one here you see the small dirt. Lovely. So this is unboxing part of Cecotec Rockstar vacuum cleaner, wireless vacuum cleaner. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.